In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert text on Squarespace. Whether you're building a portfolio, a blog, or an online store, learning how to add text to your site is an essential skill that can really fine-tune your web presence. So, let's dive right in. First, once you've logged into your Squarespace account, you'll find yourself on the site dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will be your command center for making all sorts of edits to your website. Now, direct your attention to the top of the page. Here, you'll notice an Edit button. Clicking this is your first step toward adding or altering content on your page. So go ahead and click on it. Once you're in edit mode, you'll want to locate the section on your page where you'd like to insert your new text. This might be a header, body section, or even within a footer depending on where you see fit. As you hover your mouse over the desired area, you'll notice a prompt that allows you to add a block. Click on this Add Block option to proceed. At this point, a variety of block options will pop up. Squarespace offers an array of choices, from images and video to code and social links. However, for our task today, you'll want to find and select the text block option. This is your primary tool for crafting any written content on your website. After selecting the text block, you'll find that it's now been added to the section you chose. You can start typing directly into this box, adding the text you want to display on your site. Whether it's a brief sentence or a longer description, feel free to type away. But don't stop there. Personalizing the appearance of your text can really make it stand out. You have numerous options to edit your text at this stage. Not only can you change the wording itself, but you can also modify the style of the text box. If you look closely at the available tools in the tab displayed here, you'll see various formatting options. You can adjust the font style, size, and color, which can really help in maintaining brand consistency across your site. Additionally, have a look at the text alignment options. Whether you want the text centered, aligned to the left or right, or justified, these settings offer flexibility to get the exact look you're aiming for. Perhaps you'd like to change the positioning of your text box within the section. Fortunately, Squarespace offers a straightforward way to do this. Simply click on the text box and, holding your mouse down, drag it to your desired location. This drag and drop functionality is extremely handy for testing different layouts with ease. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide on how to insert and edit text on Squarespace. By following these steps, you can enhance the design and readability of your site. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.